Google Pay Rewards offers users a way to earn money and discounts through a variety of actions and promotions. Here's how you can make money using GPay Rewards. GPay Rewards Program. GPay offers a rewards program where users earn points for completing certain activities, such as making payments, sending money to friends, or paying bills through the app. The more you use the app, the more rewards you accumulate. These points can be redeemed for gift cards, discounts, or cashback through Google Pay. Some reward points can also be exchanged for entries into sweepstakes, offering the chance to win larger cash prizes. Referral Program. GPay often has referral bonuses where you can earn money or rewards for inviting friends to use the app. Once your friend completes a qualifying transaction, both of you receive a reward. This can be a great way to earn bonus credits, gift cards, or cash for simply sharing the app. Cashback on transactions. GPay often runs promotions offering cashback for completing specific actions like paying bills or making purchases from partnered merchants. You can use this cashback to earn back a percentage of the money you spend.